Alright, new year, new me, that's what I always say. Are we going to get the one-arm pull-up this year? I don't know, let's find out. I'm on a journey to get the awesome strength feat that is the one-arm pull-up, and for that I developed a great exercise with a cable pulley, but along the way I attracted a nasty case of elbow tendonitis. We're still dealing with that, but I am progressing onto my chin-ups, so let's discuss that. I have this elbow tendonitis, and basically I'm not really doing enough for it, and that's my fault. But I did progress back into doing chin-ups.
Flashback. Yesterday.
The question is, why are we training with elbow tendonitis? Well, the thing is, and that's something that I talked about with sternum pain, is even if the injury is still presenting itself, you have to ask the question, can we train around that injury? Can we make sure that we do an exercise that doesn't hurt? And that is the key. Make sure you do something that doesn't hurt. Now, this thing inflames from time to time because of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, because I'm still gripping a lot. And that is basically the key for doing chin-ups safely. When I'm gripping hard, I really feel it in my arms. I really feel it in my forearms and my biceps. When I grip too hard, I find that I put the emphasis too much on my arms. And basically what we want to do is we want to pull from our lats. We want to really engage those lats, engage those huge back muscles in order to pull ourselves up. So what I want to do is, instead of really squeezing, right, I really want to have a firm grip, that's for sure, otherwise you won't be getting 49 kilograms. But next to having a firm grip instead of a grip, we want to arch a little bit and we want to pull as much from our back as possible. That's also going to make us more explosive, and that's going to translate into the one-arm pull-up. So really present your chest, lift your chest as you're pulling up, because that way you're going to engage your back a little bit more. And then from there on, really pull up, boom. Another exercise that I found very good for really targeting that back while doing chin-ups is negative chin-ups. And negative chin-ups are really key to targeting that back. Let me explain. So we're going to take a bench, boom, like that. And even if you're doing heavyweight chin-ups, I really recommend you do this one. You jump up with your chin right above the bar, like so. And from there on, you're going to catch yourself with your lats. It's difficult to explain, but what you're going to do is basically contract your lats in such a way that they are going to hold you up. So instead of like really squeezing your biceps and your forearms together, you're going to contract your lats and make sure that you feel your lats in such a way that you can hold yourself up like that. So once you do that, you're going to slowly let yourself down with your lats. That is going to teach your body how to engage your lats throughout the full range of motion of the chin-up. So if I'm going to show you, that's going to look exactly the same as a negative chin-up, but it's basically what you're thinking about and how you put the focus and the emphasis that is very important in this exercise. So you're going to jump up, catch yourself, and you see that my chest is a little bit higher so that I can engage my lats more. Boom. And then you're going to go and let down, but really focus on those lats. Boom. That has been helping me a lot in engaging my lats from the start and all the way up on the chin-up. If you have this injury as well, try to be smart. If you're feeling it, you're overdoing it. That's the whole idea. You can do chin-ups if you can do it pain-free. We're working on it. We're getting stronger day by day. We're still on the focus of getting that warm chin up, but it takes some time, and that's why I want to focus on the chin up, focus on the back. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below how you are progressing with your one-arm pull-up, and also make sure you stay subscribed to see whether or not we're going to hit that goal. And obviously we're going to hit that goal. See you in the next one. Peace!